Hey guys, I'm John. This is the Fifine K683A, and the channel is JS Techie. Alright, so getting right into this, this is a unidirectional cardioid microphone. It is USB A or C, so it's got like a split in there. It's compatible with Mac, PS4, and Windows. It's got a gain knob and a mute button, and it has a 3.5mm headphone jack for audio monitoring. So that's like a big step up. It comes with a tripod, a cable, and a pop filter. So that's really cool here. The price of this microphone right now, this is the most expensive microphone I have reviewed. It is $52.99. But I'm expecting some serious quality at that price point. So let's just see if I've missed anything. I think that's it. So let's open it up and see what we got. Okay, we're just gonna get right into this. All right, perfect. Okay, we get some paperwork. User's guide, don't need that. We've got the mic. Oh wow, this is quite a bit heftier than any other mic I've used so far. Okay, that articulation, that's pretty good. Okay. Oh, no. No. I didn't want to do that. Okay, that was an accident. Oh wow, that's dense too. Okay. Okay, this is some heavy stuff right here. This is actually shocking me right now. So, we've got the cable. That's a sturdy cable. Like, even the cable is sturdier. Hold on, let me... Oh my god. This is nuts. Let me just set that up here. Okay, so... This is quite a bit different than the previous Fifine product. Because that product... I've got it right here. One sec. As you can see, this is, I was sort of expecting something similar, but like, this is a massive difference right here. We do have, so we have a gain knob, and we have, where's the headphone jack? There's supposed to be, oh, there it is, on the back. The headphone jack's on the back. I thought it was on the bottom. Okay, wow. This is, I'm quite excited about this. So let me throw it together and we'll see how this bad boy sounds. All right, guys, before we get into the video, if you like tech reviews, if you are a content creator yourself and you're looking for budget tech options, be sure to smash that like button. It really supports the channel. Also, I just kind of want to throw that in there. I do have a Patreon and you will get content early if you join the Patreon. Not a big deal if you don't. I just kind of wanted to put it out there in case anybody's interested. You will have some say in some of the products I review, give you suggestions. There will be some giveaways over there that will not be on this channel, at the time that I get to the point where I can do that feasibly, But back to the video. All right, guys. So right now I am hooked into the back of the Fifine K683. This is the first time that I've ever reviewed a mic with audio monitoring, and this one works pretty well. These headphones are not studio quality, they're just cheap skull candies, but it does work. We're going to try the mute button right now. The mute button works. It's a little squishy, but it does mute the microphone, and it does kind of a soft click when you get it all the way in, and the LED light changes from green to red, so it does have an LED here. The gain knob does work pretty well. The pop filter, pop pickled peppers, pickled peppers. Yeah, I think the pop filter works pretty well. I do have it about 8 inches away from my mouth. Holy crap, I do have the overhead light on, and I'm sorry, that might really mess with the quality of the footage actually. So I have done some audio tests just to make sure I had the gain right. So it's very hard to determine where your gain is. Yes, okay, so there is a little indent on the gain knob that kind of shows you where it is. But in this lit room, how I have it right now, it's not exactly noticeable. But I do have it at about 45%-ish. Obviously, I could probably crank it up a little bit more. I'm not peaking or anything, so I do have some adjustability. I might just boost it and post a little bit, whatever. I just make sure primarily that I'm not peaking too bad. And the quality of the mic itself, I think it's really good. It's a really, really solid mic. But you should definitely judge this for yourself. This mic is the most expensive mic I've reviewed, but I do think it kind of deserves it. It is a hefty, like this mic is heavy. It is made out of metal, and you know it. Even the stand for it, I put it up, but the desktop mount that it comes with, it's heavy. You could probably like beat someone with it. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Don't ever do that. But yeah, so this thing is, it's in a different level than the previous mics I reviewed. Maybe not by too much. It might compete with like the Yeti Nano or something like that. I have never touched a Yeti, so I can't quite say for sure. But this is a very, very good microphone. But let me know what you guys think. I'm very happy with this product. I think it is worth the $50. I mean, I don't know if the difference in audio quality is worth the $20 more you'd pay for this compared to some of the previous mics I've reviewed. That's all based on the end user. I'm just a reviewer who can give my impressions and my opinions. I'm not the end all be all, but that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.